Hello friends, welcome back to our another FactuON learning series video. In my previous video, I already completed the estimate, how to create an estimate for any sales, right? So today I will guide you how to create sales invoice. Okay. In my previous video, I already shown you for any particular estimate if it was pending. So how do you convert your estimate into invoice, right? I already shown you this. For suppose if I want to create invoice for this estimate, so simply I will click here, and here you see new estimate page will appear for that particular estimate. And here a few things you have to enter, like you have to enter your operation type, you have to add date, due date, and you have to add discount. You can change discount if you want, or you can remove discount, you can remove retention, or maybe add, or maybe it's fine then you can left it. So this is invoice for your existing estimate, right? So now I will show you a fresh invoice cell how we can create. Okay, so you can see here this is sales invoice page. So here you can see your track invoice, okay, your invoice data, and by here you can filter your invoice data according to date, and maybe according to organization, and you can filter here like a status, okay, uh, paid or unpaid or partially paid. So according to these filter you can apply your results. Okay, so let's come here, and you can see here two options, right? Import your sales invoice, and another is create invoice. So for import invoice I will show you the next video in upcoming video, because here is some option of uploading like an instruction for a file, so maybe you get better. So I will show you in my next video, especially I will show you the format, okay, in next video. So here you can see create invoice. So here if you see here is two options, estimate and credit note. By here also you can create the through the estimate, okay, and credit note you can use for invoice. There is two option, okay. So if you click on it, then you directly go to the estimate page, okay. So you can create the estimate here, and if not, then simply you can start with create a new invoicing. Or if you select the credit note, then you directly go to credit note page. I will show this credit note page in next video, okay. So let's come here. So here you can see this new invoice page will appear. So what you need to do here, you have to choose company. Suppose I am choosing this company, I want to create invoice for particular this company, okay. If you want to add any other organization, okay, so you can directly add from here also. So here automatically document number will appear. If you want to change document number, you can maybe modify by here, and you can set the date and due date. If you want to add due date same date as invoice date, so no problem, according to you, it's up to you, okay, which data you want to add here, due date. Now choose the operation type, okay, which operation you want for this particular invoice, okay. Currently it was showing in Spanish language, so I will guide you, basically I will refer you to use your language, okay. So I'm choosing this language, and now reference number. If you want to add any reference number for your particular invoice, then you can add, otherwise you can left this column, no problem. And now you can see here the payment terms. So maybe this is not clickable right now, so you can left it, okay. So here is option of adding items, right? So here you can add item manually, and if you want to add your item in bulk wise, so you can choose with this option. And if you want to add a item manually and want a row, then you have to click here. So suppose I will choose more option here, okay. Not this one, this one. And here I will choose the quantity also and add. So see here the results, okay. So here you can change the bet and percentage also. Okay, suppose I'm changing this one, and here amount will be automatically recorded. You don't need to change the amount. And I will remove this column. Okay, I will removing this row. Now you can see here the option of adding discount. If you want to give any discount, then you can simply click on it and simply add. I'm giving the 5% discount. And if you want to add any retention, then you can click here and add a retention. Now here you can see the payment detail. Okay, so choose your bank type. Okay, here is option of 3 banks. Actually I will cover in upcoming video, okay, how to add a bank account or how to create your bank details. Okay, how to fill the bank details. So I will cover in next video. Currently these are my existing dummy accounts, so I am choosing suppose this. Okay, so here your bank detail will be appear, and now you can see here the option of choose account detail. So for product sell revenue, service revenue, interest revenue, so I'm choosing this one. Now you have to add here the terms. Okay, suppose I'm adding this term. Okay, it's depend on you which terms condition you want to add here. For your invoicing you can add here. So you can see our invoicing is ready. Okay, if you want to view your invoice, then you have to choose this one. If you want to save this invoice, so simply you have to save this. Okay, so let's go through first option. Okay, here you can see the invoice format. I already told you in my previous video, if you want to change your format of invoicing estimate, then by your setting option you can change and modify it. Okay, so currently I was choosing this format. You can see my this format also. Okay, so here is the invoicing format, you can see, which I created right now. And here you can see the overview. Okay, so now here is again two option of downloading. If you want to download your this invoice by FAC, so you can directly download by this, or maybe you can download as a PDF also. And another option is here for save and send. It will automatically send to your email ID which you added for your invoicing. Basically it's company email ID, it will all automatically send. Okay, so simply I'm saving by here. So now you can see here my this invoicing is done. Okay, I created this one. So here you can see few options also, like view your invoice, edit your invoice, copy your invoice, and here you can direct pay the invoice. Okay, and here you, if you want to delete this, so you can simply delete this. So these options you find here. And if your invoice is paid, then payment option and delete and edit option will be not working. Okay, for copying, suppose it's multiple invoice you have and you want to copy, so simply you can copy and do some edit and then you can send it. Okay, so this is for this is that benefit. Okay, and as I told you, you can find your invoicing by this filter also, by date wise, by organization, by status wise you can filter. Okay, so simply you get the result. Okay, simply you have to just filter it, and again you can reset your invoice. And here you have the export option. If you want to export your data, extract your data, then you can export from here. Now in my next video I will show you import instruction of your file. Okay, like only I will show you the format in my next video for sales invoice. And yeah, that's it. I hope it's clear with you. So if you have any query, then you can do comment also. And that's it from my end. So I hope you like it. So see you in next video. Thank you for watching.